ThoughtWorks builds competitive advantage software for some of the most advanced companies in the world. We do this in a totally radically new way. We use a combination of agile and lean techniques, value stream mapping, elimination of waste, to create software in the fastest possible time for delivery of business value. My name is Singham. I am the founder of ThoughtWorks. People said you could not build software offshore the way you could onshore. We beg to differ. We think we are going to show you in the next 3 minutes how it's done. Please come with me. This is ThoughtWorks Bangalore. As you can see, there's not a cubicle in sight. All of our teams work together in this totally open environment. We regularly have our customers come and visit and work together closely with us. We have 3 clients here this week. It's hard to tell because they sit side by side with ThoughtWorkers, working together on every aspect of the project. Sitaraman is the managing director of ThoughtWorks India. Normally, he would have a corner office. This is ThoughtWorks. We have him sit here on the team, available to clients with ThoughtWorkers for the whole day. What do you think is the best thing about the way we work here?
We are a completely different offshore software company. Instead of taking the easy, least risky work, we are built to do the opposite. We focus on solving business problems, adapting to changing business goals, rather than just writing code. And our culture of innovating and learning constantly is exciting for our people, and our customers tell us that it's very unique.
That is what a managing director would say. Let's go talk to the people who actually do the work. Rohan, what are you doing?
Hi Roy, we're having a stand-up.
What's the story on these stand-ups?
So Roy, the deal is communication. Everybody knows where we're at. We discuss ideas and solutions and that sort of stuff.
Any challenges on this project?
Yeah, this is a brand new venture for our client, and we just found out that they changed their CRM system.
And we just had an idea from one of the other teams. We are going to use REST approach on this one.
Cool, thanks. Well, let me see where else we can go pray around in this office. Arun, what project are you guys working on?
We are building an end-to-end broking solution. It's the most functionally rich application of its type. We built it all offshore while working closely with the customers.
How did you do that?
We did not produce technical specifications, but worked with the customers to define high-level requirements and then deliver the product in weekly iterations.
We showcased what we had built to the client every week through real-time software demonstrations. They gave us feedback almost every time, and we changed the application accordingly or our priorities.
We use the story wall to track every item of work on the project. It's very visual. The whole team knows where we are all the time.
How does the client know exactly where we are in the project?
Well, each week we show the client exactly where we are, where we want to go, and when we expect to finish, all based on recent progress.
All the custom applications we develop here are business critical, and it's vital that our processes and progress are completely transparent to our clients.
Great, thanks. Collaboration, communication, openness, transparency. That's the essence of how we work here at ThoughtWorks, and I'm proud to say it's our culture. Software development is about rich business conversations, the rapid delivery of working software, followed by customer feedback. Just because you're 8,000 miles away from your client doesn't mean you don't have a people-focused process. As we discovered this style of delivery, we found a void in the marketplace. There was no software that managed the needs of geographically distributed teams doing advanced software. That's why we invented Mingle. Sudhir, what's the customer feedback on Mingle?
Right, the feedback's been great. People say it's a beautiful product, easy to use, and configurable to the way they actually work.
Thanks, Sudhir. So you can see we have an intensive working environment. We build business-critical software with advanced technical requirements, and we have to deliver working software every single week. There's no place to hide. As you know, ThoughtWorkers are also passionate about the software industry. Many of my colleagues work on open source projects. Vivek, how do you think we help our clients with open source?
Open source software is quite popular in the industry, but it's actually more than free software. When we start using open source software, we also start modifying it immediately to meet our customer needs.
Cool, thanks. Aha, crickets. I think with an Indian team, it's going to take another 25 years for a World Cup. So there you have it, a quick glimpse into how we work here at ThoughtWorks, a whirlwind tour. To learn more, email me at askroy@thoughtworks.com.